All right, what is going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to the stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Ready for that Friday bank, fun coupon Friday here with another stream. We are here, we're all for it, and we're gonna make some lovely bank this morning. Hope you guys are doing well. We'll let a few more people tune in. I'm gonna get the Zoom guys in a second. Good morning, Mr. Aaron. Good morning, sir. What is going on? What the fuck? Let me know if you guys can hear me all loud and clear. Hopefully the music isn't too loud. If the music's too loud, guys, let me know. I might turn it down a little bit just to be safe. Alright, let me close Discord. Let me get rid of this. Alright, guys. We are ready to rock and roll. We are ready. We'll let a few more people tune in. Tune in. All things great. Not loud, boss. Cool. Thank you, man. Rami, what's going on, mate? We got gold grabbing some highs at the minute, which is pretty nice. Pretty nice. So Asia today in gold hasn't moved at all, which is great for us in the London session. If gold is ranging in Asia, we could get some nice breakouts. Oh, look at that 30 close. Guys, drop a little like for the stream. As soon as we hit 10 likes, I'll start sharing my screen with you guys. As soon as we hit 10 likes, we'll start breaking down the charts and making that bank. We just had a nice hourly close there on gold. Looking like we're going to get a nice breakout of our range. Alright, let me just let the Zoom guys in. Alright. Alright. Let me get oil up here. Antonio, yo, Antonio back again. What's going on, man? We got the Zoom boys. Zoom boys in. We can start breaking down the charts in a second. What time are we at? Already 1 minute into the session. All right, 6 likes. Look at that. 4 more likes. I'll share my screen. But yeah, we just had a really nice 30 close here on Goldie. Really nice close. This is the most volume we've seen in all of Asia. So you've liquidated these highs. No audio. Oh, what the fuck? There you go. You should be able to hear me now, man. Thank you, Antonio, man. I don't know why the mic wasn't set right. But yeah, we just had. I was just saying, we just had some nice volume coming on gold. Asia hasn't done anything. We just had a really good push now. YouTube guys, 3 more likes. I'll start sharing my screen and start breaking down the charts. Get us 10 likes. Boston, what's going on, man? Good to have you back on the stream. Look at this. We'll wait to have the highs. Big push. No top wick in this current 5, so I'm going to take it just yet. But there's some good volume. Fun coupon Friday today. We're making that fun coupon Friday money. I didn't trade London at all yesterday. I didn't even really watch it. It didn't really do anything. So, oh, look at gold. Goldie. All right, markets are moving. Let me just share my screen. We didn't get 10 likes, but I'll share it anyway. All right, so gold has just come up and liquidated these highs and having a pretty steep sell-off. 5 minutes into this pre-London move. Let me just check the calendar today. So we came up, we liquidated the highs, having a big sell-off. We also liquidated the lows, pushed up into the highs, and then this is kind of the real move. This is the first breakout. We have no top wick on this current 5, so I can't short it just yet. I would have had to have seen a top wick to be able to short this. What news have we got today? We've got some Euro news at 10 AM. Will be done by then. Canadian dollar news later on tonight. And then we also have some USD news later on as well. So we are looking good, but like I say, Asia hasn't really had a whole heap of volume, which is good for us in London, because that means we're going to probably get a nice, some nice push in London, which is great. I think we could be shorting gold down into this head and shoulders formation. Oh, Angel's got a position. What you got? 2 lots short on AUD yen. Very nice, man. Very nice. Very, very nice. That's a lovely entry. Good entry, man. Very nice. Crypto Keyed. Hey fam, morning out. What's going on, man? Good to have you in the chat. But yeah, gold is just, let me get rid of this one now because we're only interested in the highs. So we've grabbed the highs, we're breaking all this level. I need this to slow the hell down in order for me to be able to take this. I would have wanted to see a top.
I think she's going, mate.
Yeah, man, she's moving. Jesus, what a push. There would be an entry there. What time was that? 6:45 London time. Holy. 35 pips, what a push. What a push. But yeah, there is no top wick on this current 30. I would have wanted to see a quick little top wick and a retracement. We've literally just broken this support and straight impulsive down. As soon as we give us a top wick, we can still be shorting this down for another 25 pips into these lows. Absolutely. Absolutely. But yeah, what a push. What a push. We're going to be watching oil today as well. See if we get some nice movement on oil. Nice little support there. We've got a little resistance up there. It's a very, very tight range. Yeah, so now that we've liquidated them highs, we've had this strong push down, we've cleared all of this structure. If we could just get a nice quick top wick in these regions, I would still like to take it lower. I would have liked to have seen a quick top wick here, grab that previous fight before taking this. But let's see if we can get this quick retracement. Having a nice retracement back up now. That's a big, big push. Big, big push. Ranges for... I watched the Asian session for like maybe half an hour today. Half an hour to an hour whilst I was doing other things. And Asia just chopped and chopped. We had an amazing short in Asia yesterday. Yeah, we had this beautiful short in Asia yesterday. Really nice moves, really clean volume, up and straight back down. But today we just ranged, which is okay. So how's that hourly closed? Yeah, so hourly's flipped incredibly bearish, breaking all this support. So we can start watching the 15. No bottom wick, no top wick. Just straight volume. Straight volume, which is good. That's what we want to see. 15 coming back up for, 5 coming back up for a little retracement now. I got S&P up here as well. I'm not really watching it this morning.
Aaron, I saw your video about the recent news.
Oh yeah, man.
Good ride. It was a good ride, eh?
It's a good ride, man. Yeah, it's coming to an end.
Coming to an end. Who's gonna take over the community now?
It's all in your hands. I just had to put that little bit in the start.
No, I swear it was pretty funny, man. Honestly, you sort of got me, but then like I realized you were being sarcastic.
I was like, do I do it? Do I not do it? I was like, let me do it. Let me see how many people are actually gonna believe it. But no, absolutely not. I'd never do that. Never, ever, ever.
Forex spotlight.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, I
Absolutely.
could just see us all being in like a aged care home or something without setups. Still calling shorts.
Hell yeah. Absolutely.
That's the beauty of this trade, eh? You can, as long as your mind's intact, you've got to do it right to the very end, really.
No, 100%, man. 100%. Aaron has left the chat. Come on, Goldie, give us that top wick. Give us that top wick, you mother effer. So we just retested that little minor level there. Want a little bit more. Last day of the month, expecting any manipulation? Yeah, I think so. Last day of the month, you get a lot of balancing out. You get some pretty wild moves, but this is a pretty clean move, to be honest. Technicals here have still been really nice. Liquidate the highs, aggressive pushback down. I would have jumped in sort of like after this 5-minute closure, but 6:45 I wasn't on the charts then. Oh, Angel would push, man. Beautiful push. Great push. Very similar to this gold setup, actually. It's quite nice. I like that, man. I like that.
Yeah, luckily I was sat down on my computer a little bit early today. I was like, let's see what's happening. I've just caught it.
Yeah, it's a good shout to jump on earlier. Getting some big moves pre-market.
Yeah, even if it's like 10-15 minutes, it can make a difference. Like if I jumped on 5 minutes later, I wouldn't have caught it.
Yeah, 100%, man. I sometimes find like 6:30 London time, you can start getting some good volume. Especially if Asia's ranged so much. Oh, look at this push. Holy shit. Holy shit. This is where I wanted to be shorting it down into. All the way down into here. Just to pull back up.
Aaron, I put a question
Yeah, man.
in the video.
Yep.
I saw you mention how TopStep also has a few currencies.
Yeah.
Now, is that the same deal as like any other broker, or because it didn't? I can't remember what you said, to be honest. I watched it in a bit of a rush.
That's all good, man. Yeah, so you trade like the currency futures. So you trade like, so you're trading, what are you trading there? Is that AUDN? So are you on AUDN? Yeah. So you can trade. I'll send in a link. Yeah. So you can trade like Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. You got Euro dollar, New Zealand dollar. They're just the futures, but if you look at it from a technical perspective, they're pretty much the exact same. So I'll show you I'll show you this account here. So I'll get up which one. I'll get up the Australian. Australian dollar. Yeah. What time frame am I on here? I'm on. So I'll show you a screenshot. I'll just compare them both just so you can see it. AUD. Let me go. So I'll just show you. So if you look at this Australian dollar chart here, and I'll send you this one here. Send you a screenshot. How do I send in files on Zoom? Computer. Is that the right chart? Yeah. So compare the one I've just sent you on Zoom to this one up here in the top right. So it's exactly the same. So you just trade in just the futures, but like technical wise, it's the exact same. Yeah, my look.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So you get that. So that's like, so you can trade Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. You can trade the yen. You got some euros in there. You got AUDUSD, New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, euro, pound. So there's a pretty.
So it's just the dollar. It's not versing any other currency or.
Yeah, so it's just the dollar. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then what's the no spreads on that? Oh, there wouldn't be spreads, I guess.
No, none, man. None. Instant execution.
What's the commission?
$5 per trade.
No matter the lot size or anything.
So $5 per contract. So if you
Per
trade,
contract, yes.
yeah, so per contract. So you can. I haven't taken a maybe we can take a little test one together. I haven't taken a currency trade, but it'll be interesting to see what contract size you would take. When I'm trading gold, one contract is $10 per pip move. So if you catch 10 pips in one contract, it's $100.
Yeah.
And so on. I assume it'd be very similar for the currencies. But yeah, it's $5 per contract.
Interesting.
Wait, that's something I could sharpen up on. Do you have a resource I could go to learn more about that?
Yeah,
Become
absolutely.
more fluent in it?
Yeah, of course, man, of course.
Always talk in terms of pip size and contracts and things. That's something I need to brush up on.
Yeah, absolutely, man. I'll send you. I'll find some. Send me a message in Discord. Reminds me, and I'll send you some links because I've watched some good videos. I'll send them to you, man.
All right, cheers.
I love you, sir. Thank you. Took a 5-minute flip from 1908. Yeah, if you took this one as the exact one that I was looking to take, well, exact one I would have taken. I wasn't on the charts this early. I would have loved to have taken that. So we have just had a pretty solid bearish 15-minute close here with no bottom wick on this current 15. So if we can get a little spike out of this previous 5, I'm going to look to still short this back down into this left shoulder, head, right shoulder. If we can grab this, liquidate this previous 5-minute high, I am going to look for this play. And also, guys, obviously with the top step as well, you can literally, if you want to, I don't, but you can literally trade straight from here. You can put into the broker on the trading panel straight from here. Contract size, manage your positions, literally all from here. Come on, Goldie, give us a little spike higher. Only reason I want to spike higher is because if you short now, your stop loss has to be up there, which is just a bit stupid. I'd rather see it retrace and I'll catch the flip out of that, and then I'll have stops wherever that liquidity grab is going to be. Yeah, whoever took that 5-minute flip from up there, or even here, very, very nice. Very, very nice. Literally liquidate them highs, boom. Huge, huge push. But overall, let's have a look at gold overall. So if we go on to the daily. Oh, so that daily's actually found some pretty big support around these daily lows, which is pretty interesting. And the interesting thing on gold right now is the past, let me just see, the past one, oh here, 1, 2, 3, 4. The past 4 daily highs haven't been grabbed. So we've just wicked out some daily lows and we've closed back above the body. So now I'm wondering if we're going to come back down, maybe retest this wick, create a nice 3-pin pattern on the daily to potentially come up and grab some highs. I would love to see some daily highs grabbed on gold before a potential continuation back down. As we know, it is the last day of the month. So if we start analyzing this month, we are going to be closing back below this huge resistance, which is massive for gold. As soon as we close below this on the monthly time frame, could give us some pretty big spikes down. So this is very, very big on gold. Today's gonna be a big, big day. If this weekly, somehow today does manage to completely reverse and close back above this weekly low, then who knows? You may see a run back up to these highs, which would be huge. I don't think we have any news to give us the volume to close all the way back above here, because that would be like, what would be sense? So from current today low to close back above here, it's like 160 pips. It's definitely possible. So what do we have today? We've got core PCE price index. Yeah, could give us the volume to close back above, which would be huge. So it's pretty interesting to see how the second last day of the week and of the monthly close, we have just closed doji after wicking out this support. Wicking out this previous low and still holding this support from back in March, and then you got support from here back in January. So if you just completely hide everything for a second, we look at our cursor here. Look how key this level is, 1900, big level. And yesterday bounced off it, so we have the potential today. This is why I'm looking to short, so we can be in the best possible position. I'm looking to short into this support, which is this left shoulder head, right shoulder, because if we catch that short and we keep rolling over, then that's fine, we got the shorts. But then if we bounce from here and push higher, well, we've already taken money at the markets by catching the short, and then we can look for the longs as well. Because we didn't actually, yesterday in the US session, we had some big moves, but we didn't actually liquidate any highs. So I think there's a lot of liquidity sitting up here that we need to come and grab. Personally, whether we do that in the London session, we'll have to see. But I would love to be shorting gold into this left shoulder. Sorry, into this right shoulder here. It's kind of the thought process this morning. So pretty much, if we can just get a little top wick, take it down into these regions, probably spike a little bit lower, and then later on in US, potentially take it back up into them highs. So 5 minutes, so just grab the previous 5 minute high, but I want to see more of a top wick than this. What's your bias on S&P? I'm not really watching it right now. It's not the time. How did NAS close yesterday on the daily? Had a pretty volatile move yesterday. I took a quick little S&P scalp last night, but it was nothing big. So NAS on the daily, no bottom wick. We haven't grabbed any previous daily lows. Did S&P grab some daily lows? Let's have a look. No. So could come down, grab some daily lows on the S&P and NAS. Target some of these. Big resistance. But remember guys, always be watching today for the monthly close. I only ever check the monthly close, the monthly time frame, once or twice a month. And that's at the start and the end. I'm not watching. I'm just going to keep it up there. I'm not going to really use that tab. Oil on the daily. Oh, look at gold, still pushing. There's just there's no retracement. Like I say, if we were to, take shorts on the break of this low, stop loss has to be like 30 pips. It's too big to short when we have all this retracement area. Oil on the daily, throwing some wicks to the highs around this key resistance, previous support, resistance. So still trading below $70, which is very big on oil. We take a look at the weekly. Let's just have a look at pure price action. So yeah, a big doji on the weekly on oil. We liquidated the previous low. We've also liquidated the previous high. So yeah, kind of just stuck in the range. I assume the monthly is going to be pretty doji as well. So the monthly looks pretty bearish actually. So the monthly's broken all this support, creating that top wick on this current monthly. Are we going to roll over today and have a big bearish close? Well, do we have any Canadian dollar news? Oh yes, we do. Canadian GDP. What a coincidence. So yeah, oil's going to be pretty interesting today. Yeah, that Canadian dollar news is going to be interesting for oil later on. Gold. Give me a top wick. So as long as we don't tap into this region, I think we can liquidate the previous 15-minute high. Let me just make oil a little bit bigger, even though it's a bit of a mess right now. These levels are quite messy. So we've rejected $70 again, which is huge. Kind of got this little, got that support there, which is pretty interesting. If we get a closure back below there, we grab that previous 30-minute high, then you could consider shorting it back down into there. How many pips would that be? 30, not bad. this is some good London volume.
I'm considering just closing the laptop, to be honest.
Oh, what a push, man! That was an amazing push. Yeah, you could trail like an aggressive stop like above there, and just let it rock, and yeah, just leave it. That's a banging push, man. Great call. A very, very nice trade.
What's the correlation with GJ and gold? I see this kind of thing quite a bit.
You kind of you have the correlation between the whole risk sentiment of the yen and the US dollar. That kind of gives you the whole risk sentiment of the market. If the US dollar's bullish, typically the yen's weaker. I'll send you a...
Yeah, it's dumping in unison with gold.
Yeah. So, are all yen pairs having a push? Well, usually you'd expect the opposite, yeah. So yen's having a big push.
Oh, yeah.
So what is the yen futures? Yeah, it's a big push. Well, yeah, usually you would expect them to do the opposite, but they're moving the same. See that big push up, push down, push up. Yeah, that's a very nice catch, man. I'll show you. Did you take, was your ADN off short of the 5? Yeah, that's nice, man. That's really nice. So
it was off the 5.
Where did you get short on that quick? Was it from, yeah, so you got short from, oh, like right there. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah, right there.
Stop just above that high. Yeah, it's a lovely short, man, when you just hit. Oh, nice 1 to 4, yeah, that's really nice, man.
I took off 80%, so I'm just
Good man.
leaving the rest.
Good man. It's a lovely short. Great trade, man. Very, very good trade.
Thank you, man.
Ooh, Goldie starting to find some support, which is nice. Go on. Grab this previous high. So 15's finding that support now. See if this 15 can wick up a little bit more. Consider taking this lower. This is the last 5 of this 30 close as well. So 30 is going to be leaving a wick, which is fine. You know, we're never going to just drive off the first initial wick. We're going to come and grab the lows one more time. So a little wick here is okay. You probably get a wick fill and tap more into this region. So even if we leave a wick here, I don't mind. And yeah, I would love to see this 5-minute high grabbed. And I would short out of that. But yeah, London yesterday didn't do anything. I didn't even watch it. I had a big move in Asia, and London just chopped. Then what time do you start breaking out? Like, yeah, 11:30 London time actually then starts breaking out, and then US kicks in. Boom. That US dollar news was crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. How many pips? And I saw some people caught that short, which was huge. Yeah, almost 200 pips. Huge. Alright, so if we don't grab this high now, I still think we need to spike up. As long as we don't grab these lows, if this next candle open and instantly spikes up, then we'll be looking for that short back down into these lows. So we're going to get that 15 and 30 closure in 2 minutes. So yeah, 30's had that crazy spike of the highs. Big break of that support, continuation back down. Huge volume, but although it's pushed down so much, it's nice because now we've actually cleared all of this noise. This right here was a lot of noise. Look at that. Support, resistance, and you screw around a lot in this range. So the fact that we've just cleared that so easily is quite nice. Oh, so that 15, I do want this 15 to kind of close. Don't close too bullish, but still close bearish. So we're currently grabbing these 5-minute highs now. Yeah, I don't want gold to push up too much too close to the end, because I want to see this 15 still close bearish. I don't really want to see a bullish body. Oh, so look at this. We're coming into the last couple of minutes of this 30 and 15 close, which on gold can have a big spike in either direction at like the last couple of seconds. So let's see how this is going to close. Morning, bro. Hope you're well. Good morning, Radman. What's going on? I'm doing good, thank you, man. I'm doing good. We're trying to get that fun coupon Friday, last day of the month. June's been a very profitable month, which is great. I know June's been quite quiet for some people, which it typically is, but June's been pretty good for us. It's more so been good because we've been trading Asia, to be honest. London in June this month has been fairly quiet. Fairly quiet. Not super quiet, like there's definitely still been moves, but I have had nicer moves in Asia this month. But yeah, we're setting up nicely for June. And then we're into July. And we're already halfway through the year, which is crazy. Alright, so that 15 has now actually closed with a pretty strong body. So we've actually closed pretty strong there. We failed to close below. I would have wanted to see this close back below to take this lower. But the fact we've closed bullish, you know, you may see it drive a little bit higher now. Maybe back into... it's too aggressive to take the flip back up into these levels because of how aggressive it's pushed back down. But I wouldn't be surprised if we see gold have a drive higher from here with the way that 15's closed. It's a very strong close. If I wanted to sell this, I would have wanted to see this 15 actually close below this previous body. But we couldn't close below the body, so now we're coming back down, we're retesting. So I mean, you could see that that 5 flip bullish, but it's too aggressive for me. Because we've had such an aggressive pushback down, you would have to be break even here, which is only like 12 pips, so it's not really worth it just yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Maybe we'll grab these highs first, I don't know. It's possible. I'm pretty much either playing it down into here or playing it up into there. Yeah, I'm personally not putting this order in. It's just too aggressive with how hard we've pushed down. But yeah, let's see if we can push. Oh, we had a little break even in US session last night. Took a little US session play. Came out break even, hit like 16 pips. I had a nice short. Let's see. So the 30 has still, you know, closed very bearish, but that 15 doesn't give me much confidence to want to ride this lower. You know, we have tapped into all of these levels. 1905 is a pretty strong level on gold. Yeah, profitable month. Always looking to end net profit. Yeah, good stuff, man. How's everyone's June been? Let me post a little. How can I post a? See, if we were in this, we would have just got tagged and now, so it's going to be interesting to see how it's going to play. I'm not in this, I'm just testing it. It's too aggressive for me to want to go in long after this huge pushback down. I think we could come back to these highs, but it's just too aggressive just yet. YouTube's not receiving enough video smooth to streaming. Viewers will experience buffering. What are you talking about? What are you on about, YouTube? Is the stream blurry? I don't think so. Nah, it's alright for me. YouTube talking crap. Yeah, see, so we would be in off the break of this high, and our stop would be here at like 10 pips, but you have to be break even at, you know, 12 pips, which is just it's just a bit too aggressive. Like, yes, we could come and retrace some of this, but to take the first bounce is not really my style just yet. Let me see the poll. Let me see. 4 votes. YouTube guys, remember vote. I want to see. There's no right or wrong answer. I'm just curious to see how everyone's June's been. Paper traded a lot though, which optimized my strategy. Yeah, it's good, man. That's good. There's absolutely nothing wrong with paper trading. Paper trade is amazing. Paper trade, refine, get your data. And no rush in this game. Absolutely no rush.
I came across a video a few days ago. This guy he did like a challenge. He put $20 in, and I'm not sure what his leverage was, or like what his commissions and stuff were. But
yeah,
with 30 trades, he turned it into 52 grand. He was risking 30% each trade.
damn. Yeah, that's crazy.
30% each trade and 10 pip stop loss, 20 pip TP.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, it's good.
I was like, damn, that's
Fuck yeah.
With 30 trade, he turned it into 52 grand.
Yeah, that's crazy. I've seen some crazy account flips. Account flips can be fun, but it should only be used as fun. But it is possible to make some pretty good fun gains.
Would be interesting to do just like on the side, have like a second account and just doing that.
Yeah, just as long as you're like still sticking to the plan, just have some, if it's money you can afford to lose, and just have some high leverage positions just to get a feel for trading, bigger size, stuff like that. Yeah, absolutely, why not? I know a lot of people do it. I mean, I've seen some social media traders claim some ridiculous account flips to like 6 or 7 figures, which I think is just bullshit. But yeah, you definitely can do some.
100%.
I watched a trader from the Gold Coast who trades futures. He did a 1,000 to 10,000, which was pretty interesting.
Oh yeah. Do you know how did he do it, based off time limit or trade limit or?
So he was just trading the 930 New York Open and just trading NAS or the S&P and just basically following the momentum within like when you look at let's have a look at NAS. I don't know if it really moved yesterday with the news, but if you go back and you look at like the 930 New York Open, you pretty much have like very big spikes and quick continuations. So it happens at like 2:30 London time. So yesterday, yeah, it didn't really move much yesterday, so fucking choppy after that news. But he pretty much just trades like the 30-second chart, watches how like the first 30-second bar closes, and then just quickly follows that momentum, and that's pretty much it.
Interesting. Sounds a bit of like news to me. Sounds similar to that.
Yeah, I think it is.
We're sort of just waiting, see what happens.
Yeah.
Tagging along.
I'd rather flip that small account into a prop firm. Yeah, absolutely. I agree. Goldie's having this little push. Thanks for always being such an inspiration, psychology and trade management, Ryan. Appreciate it, man. Always. So the poll, 11 people have voted. 64% people had profitable month, 27% loss, 9% break even. So majority of people seem to have profitable June, which is great. Let me see. Ooh, that looks nice. You had a nice 30 closure there on oil. Back below. There's just so much. There's just so much. I find it's just so tricky right now. Like you kind of got support right there as well. Hey Aaron, how much percent do you get monthly? I'd say like average 5 to 10%, depends on how much you risk per trade. So this month, this is all the trades that we have taken in the Asia and London session in June. Oh, no, Pip's not taking it. Yeah, it's very tight. It's a very, very tight range. It's so noisy in here. All of this on oil is just so noisy. But yeah, that gold ended up having a nice little push there. I didn't take that gold trade, but I'm just kind of just forward testing it, just seeing how it's going. How many pip Rooney's would you have just hit there on oil? 7, yeah, see, it's not much. On gold, I mean, it's not much. Hello Aaron, good morning. Any trades yet? No trades yet, Maverick man, no trades yet. I'm just kind of forward testing this little play on gold. The reason I didn't take it is just because it was just such an aggressive pushback down. You know, the setup was nice. The 15 flip bullish after grabbing the previous 15-minute low, having that continuation higher. But you have to be break even at these lows, which is only 12 pips, so I don't really get out of bed for 12 pips. Break even on oil now? Oh, wowie. There's a push. What's your Asia trade yesterday? Beautiful. Thank you, Matt. Appreciate it. Asia was lovely yesterday. That's why I didn't trade London, because Asia was so nice. And then, so we had that short in Asia, and then London just chopped. But this is why London's nice today, because Asia's chopped, London's moving. So this is why I'm keen on some London plays today. So if we were forward testing, if we were actually in this, we would be break even now. So we're coming back up to this key support, which is going to be an interesting level. Coming into the last 5 of this 15 now. YouTube guys, let me know if it's lagging. YouTube's telling me it's lagging. I don't think it is. Maybe it is. I don't think so though. I think YouTube's talking shit, to be honest. But yeah, I got some pretty big videos coming out on the weekend. Top Stepper releasing something huge as well, which is going to be game changing for everyone. So we've got about 20 minutes until this London's going to open. Pre-London, we're having some really nice moves here. Slightly lagging on mine, but not bad. I don't know why it does that. Let me check on my phone. Is it laggy here? Yeah, a little bit. I don't know why it does that. I think I need to tweak my settings more on OBS, but I don't really know too much about it. Yeah, look at that push. I don't know if anyone took this. I did not, but if anyone did, good job. Not all the time though. All right, man. Good to know. Good. Good to know. Yo, trading, bro. Yes, we will absolutely be trading. I'm not in this one. I just had it drawn up. What's up, bro? What's going on, man? Good to have you on the stream. It's good here, mate. Central Queensland. Don't stress. We will all live. Good, man. Thank you. Good to hear. Should be all good. All right, 52 people tuned in. 18 likes. Guys, drop a little like for the stream. We get some nice volume here in the London session. Oh, look at that. What a push. Shoulda, woulda, coulda taken that position. But we drew it up and called it well. So we take the W. See, if I was in this, where's 20 pips? So 20 pips sitting around there. But if we all of a sudden just completely retrace this pre-London move, I'm looking to target these liquidity highs all the way back up here. That's kind of the main thought process there. I'm not respecting this. Yeah, if we can break lower, yeah, I think we can get a big push. Big push. There you go. We just would have hit 20 pips there. I can't be mad. I didn't take it. We called it, but we stuck to the plan. As soon as if we do get some nice closures here, I'll absolutely continue this high because this 15 is now having that confirmation of a fake out below this level to completely push higher, and this hourly is going to be leaving a pretty big wick. Yeah, look at that hourly wick now. Huge, 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 huge. Do you think gold go up? I have a buy from the bottom. That sounds pretty risky. Could go up. I won't. Don't think. I wonder if gold can go up. Wait for the 15 to close bullish before you do anything. It will save you a hell of a lot of losses. Right now we're trading at support. So if you are in longs, you have to manage your position here. If we close above, amazing, then we can take it higher. But as it stands right now, this intraday has flipped bearish after liquidating some highs. I'll only consider some longs if we get a nice closure above this support. To jump in longs right now doesn't make sense. But depending on where your longs are, yeah, definitely have risk off the table. Take some partials. You probably got a nice run depending on your entry. So if you got in long down there, you're hitting like, yeah, 30 pips, amazing. 30 pips a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. That's what they say. So 15 had just closed bullish, still respecting this level. If we grab this previous 15-minute high, there's potential to drive low. We have no bottom wick on this current 15. This is the high that I wanted to grab before this initial pushback down. If we can wick this out before creating a bottom wick, I'll consider some shorts. But if we create a bottom wick, yeah, which we just have, then I'm not interested in shorts. So we have closed bullish. You know, we've closed above this level, but we're also at this. Like, I would like to take this higher. I just would have wanted that 15 just to close a little bit more. So we've just grabbed the previous 15-minute high and now having that pushback down. If we had taken that long position, what would we have hit? Yeah, 22 pips. We would have taken partials and be out. So we're now retracing this level. If we can reflip bullish here, you could see a nice push. Your stop loss could probably just go like below there. Like this. So stop loss would be like 15 pips. You re-break the current 15-minute high. And you'd be playing this back up into like 19, 13 to 14, which would be a pretty solid play. I'm just skeptical of jumping in longs when you have this support. Price has broken this level, currently retesting, grabbing the previous 15 high, so it's tricky. But if you don't re-break the high, then you don't take the trade. Let me see. What are we trading? So how's this 30 looking? I'm on the wrong chart. That push back down, flipping bullish, and go to the 5. If I was going to take some longs, it would just be half risk for now. Hourly has a Hourly has a huge rip, man. Hourly could have a push right at the London Open. So I'm going to put in, I'm putting in a buy stop here. I'm only putting in at half risk because we're that close to the London Open and we're still trading below this level. If we do get this closure back above this level, then I'll enter in my second position. But I put in a half risk now for this 15 to have this continuation back up into the highs. Stop loss is around like 7.5 pips. If we don't flip in the next 2 minutes and 20, I will cancel the order. And I'll probably just wait for the hourly. But we've broken out of this range after liquidating the highs. We're now breaking back into the range. And the room to the upside is buying back up into here for like 60 pips. So will I risk 15 to potentially make 60? Absolutely. But if we don't flip and re-break the highs in this current 5, I'm gonna wait. So we got 1 minute 40, and I'm only in this half risk because we are still trading below this level. We break above, amazing, that's the confirmation, we'll enter more. But for now, we are gonna go half risk. And if we don't have that continuation in this current 5, then we will cancel the order. Let's put a few pips above. So it's got 1 minute to show us something. If we don't re-break the highs, we don't get tagged, we don't take the loss, we'll just cancel the order and wait. If we do start to, you know, break back below this support here, then, you know, we have the possibility of the hourly actually closing with a body and not this wick that we're currently forming, like this. So if we don't re-break these highs, then we're gonna close. How long we got? We got a couple more seconds here before I cancel this order. 33 seconds. I'm not gonna cancel it or change it until it closes because gold can do anything at the last couple of seconds. But if we don't flip in 24 seconds, just cancel the order. 15, 14, 12. The reason I will cancel the order as soon as this closes, because the next candle could quickly come up and create a top wick before pushing lower. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, cool. Cancel. Cancel, cancel, cancel. We didn't flip in this current 5. I think we may just drive down a little bit more first. May come and grab that previous. So we still do have 10 minutes until this 15 has the possibility of flipping bullish. But let's just wait for a little bit more because we do have this London Open coming up as well. But if that 5 had flipped bullish, we would have seen a nice drive, but the fact that it hasn't, we may just grab some 5-minute lows one more time. But the good thing is we're getting volume here. We're not sitting in sideways. Well, I mean, we are sitting in technically overall sideways price action on the higher time frame, but intraday on this 5-minute, we're getting some nice pushes. We've had a how many pips is this? We've had like a 60 pip run down, and then a nice, you know, 35 pips push straight back up. So we're grabbing that previous 5-minute low now. We got no top wick on this current 5. So if this current 5 can reflip bullish, you can see the push. If we re-close below this support, the 15 is going to be closing back below. Yeah, see, look at that 30. So the 30's just wicked out that low. So the hourly was looking quite bullish. So the hourly may lead this wick and push higher, but we can only react to that in 10 minutes. I think we wait for that. 30's grabbing this previous 30-minute high. Still trading below this level after grabbing the highs. Gold's tricky right now. It's tricky, tricky, tricky. I have conflicting bias in all time frames. I'm just kind of following whatever the intraday momentum's doing, which has had a aggressive pushback down, then straight back up. But we got 10 more minutes until we're going to get closed. The last 5 of the hourly on gold is typically the most important, and when you get the most spikes. So we'll probably just we'll see how this 5 closes. Sorry, man.
It is close to the London Open as well, isn't it?
Yeah, which is good as well. I'd like to be in a trade before, like right now, get that London Open volume. So the way that the next 5 opens is going to be interesting. If the next 5 opens and instantly pushes up, then I think the hourly will have a drive lower. If the next 5 opens and instantly pushes down, then we could see that continuation on maybe the break of the current 15 highs. Because I do think if we're going to have this big rollover, we may spike out this little 15-minute high one more time.
I want to support like respectiveness.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, we've got 2 minutes. Alright guys, I'm going to toilet 2 seconds.
Favorit di Philippines Philippines masyari down here side. So favorite now as seal. So yeah.
Alright, Goldie. Show us your cards, Goldie. What's Oil doing? Oil respecting this little level. Oil's so messy, man. Oil's so messy. So gold is grabbing the previous 5-minute low with no top wick on this current 5. So this 5 is going to flip bullish, or is it going to leave this wick open? And if the next 5 instantly pushes down, then I may look for a break of the 15 high to have a push. So looking at the last 30 seconds of this 5-minute candle now. Even if we had left in the buy order, we still wouldn't be tagged yet. So I think our stop was around
I'm
there.
doing a little forward test of this.
Yeah, I was watching that one. I would have wanted to see it flipping the current 5. So you'd be playing that back up into like 19, 13, 5. Yeah, you'd have a big drive. So, so the 5 minutes closed back below this level, grabbing the previous low, just closed back above it. Interesting. Would you enter the same position we had? Yeah, Antonio, I think so, man. I think so. It's still not off the cards for me. So this current 5, which is the last 5 of the hourly, is when we typically see the most volume. So if this can come up and re-break this 15 high, which is here, and this 15 does flip bullish, I think we could have a pretty impulsive move. I do want to put it in, but I'm just gonna wait for a little bit more. I want to see a little bit more signs of rejection. If we were going to have a push up, I would want to see this 5 being respected, because this is the 5 that grabbed the previous low. If we re-break this 5, then we could just end up rolling over. But if we respect this current 5 and re-break this 15, and we have this nice bottom wick on this 15 flip bush, then we could see a push. So let's just see. I haven't put it back in yet. I'll tell you guys if I do put it back in and when I do. I haven't put it back in yet. But this setup, until this 15 closes, is still valid. Hey, Ryan's trying to.
You didn't have me with a video, baby.
Sorry?
You didn't have me, but with.
Ah, yes, I did. You got worried.
Has he hit his head or something? Has he fallen?
Oh God, no!
Am I gonna have to fly out there and give him like, a cuddle or something?
Well, I thought if I sent you a message as well, then you would be like, nah.
Yeah, when I see that, I was like, see playing like that.
Nah, I'd never do that. Never.
I don't think you actually would.
No, I wouldn't. No, I honestly, I never would. Never, ever. Maybe I'd pass on the flag when I'm like 60, but no, I never would. So all of a sudden, this 15 is gone from looking bearish to the last 5, which is the most important, completely changing everything. All right. Yeah, half risk, man. I'm just going to put in half risk because, like I say, I still would like to see us close above here. And if the 15 does close above with nice volume, we could get a quick bottom wick and enter our second position. Stop loss is 12 pips, which is nice. So buy stops half risk above the current 15 high. And if the 15 doesn't flip bullish, then we'll just cancel again, and that's totally fine. I haven't put it in just yet. Give me just a second. I just want to see how this 5 goes. Do we still have 2 minutes? I would have liked to have seen this 5 just still look bearish, because gold can change at like the last 20 seconds of the last 5 of the hourly. And I don't really want to get spiked in before it pushes, so I haven't put it in just yet. Let me just see how this 5 is going to go. The more we stall like this, the more inclined I am to put it in. You know what? Fuck it. Let's just put it in. Okay, I'll put it in. Buy stop above the current 15. If it doesn't flip, we'll cancel straight away. But let's just leave it in and just wait to see how this 15 is going to close. If the 15 doesn't re-break and gives a nice 15 body, we're just going to wait. I fucking like crows out my window or something. Fuck. Really fucking high. Alright, so coming into the last, around almost the last 40 seconds of this 5 minute. And then we're going to get that London Open. So this is now the point where we can see big spikes in volume on Goldie. The last couple of seconds of the hourly. If we don't trigger, if this 15 doesn't close bullish, re-breaking this high, then we'll cancel.
What that hourly is just.
Yeah, I'm gonna get ready to close. How long we got? 7, 5. Yeah, cool. Close. So 15 couldn't flip bullish, and we didn't get that big spike in volume. So I think we're gonna grab the 15-minute low one more time. We got very close to tagging there, but the fact that this 15 didn't actually close bullish, I'm now just gonna wait, and I mean we're probably already gonna do it. I'll wait till we actually grab this 15 that low now. So yeah.
This current 5.
Yeah, we could. Yeah, it's a big hourly. Big hourly wick. Instant push back down. But for the guys on YouTube, that's the power of waiting for price to re-break the highs. If it doesn't re-break the highs, then you don't take the trade, you don't take the loss. If you're trying to take retest entries on gold right now, you're just getting stopped out. Ooh, so we are grabbing the previous 15 with no top wick on this current 15, which is nice, with a big hourly wick. So we've got, yeah, it's a big hourly wick. So it'd be the same again. If we don't re-break the highs, then we'd cancel. Let me just, I'm gonna see a little bit more rejection here, because this is some pretty big volume right at the London Open. So it is a big hourly wick, but yeah, it is still bearish. I would have kind of wanted to see this hourly actually give a nice bit more of a body. But yeah, it's, you know, we are still failing to close below like 19.065 is a huge level.
Yeah.
We could still come and fill in this hourly wick. You're not making it too easy for us just yet, gold. But let's see.
Just the reward is on the 1 to 1 now for me.
Yeah.
Have to wait for the next.
So now if this candle was to reflip bullish, stops would be 12 pips, and you're playing it back up into 1913.5. I think I'm gonna wait for price to actually close above here. I think that's what we'll wait for. You know, we could drive in this 5, but I think I'm gonna wait for that closure. Probably remain bearish for at least 3 days now. Yeah. Yeah, well, that's why I think if we wait for 15 close above this level, then I think we could see a nice push, like straight back up into here and then back up into there.
Alright, I'm off everyone. I'll see you in the next one.
Enjoy, man. Take it easy, mate.
Alright.
Angel's made his bankies off for the day. Good shit. Good shit. But yeah, this is the first
The
5
car
on
channel coming out.
the what? Sorry.
The car channel. When's that coming out?
Oh yeah, soon maybe. That'd be fun.
Okay.
I need a Lambo
Anything on
first.
YouTube?
I need a Lambo.
No, you don't. Everyone does that. Just be different.
When
It's boring now.
when
It's
Lambo,
boring.
sir? Are you even a trader if you don't have a Lambo? I don't think so.
So, you're not a scammer if you haven't got a Lambo.
That's very true. That is very true. If you don't have
You're
a
not really a scammer.
Lambo and don't talk about money 24/7. I got one in GTA. Does that count? Yeah, absolutely, Antonio. Make sure you get a Telegram link in your Instagram bio now, man.
Yeah. Don't laugh about it, but it's got so many people over the years.
Yeah.
It's sad.
It's embarrassing. Yeah. It's look at that bounce on oil. Bouncing right off that support. Failed to close below. Instant 25 pipperoonies. 6 seconds, 5 on gold. 5 minute failed to close bullish. So you would cancel that order because you don't want to get tagged in right now. Already on it. I flipped my $10 account to 8 figures with this gold strategy. Antonio, sign me up. Sign me up.
Yeah.
Sign us all up.
I just have my account.
Yeah, you do it for us. I'll send you crypto right now.
Too.
I'll send you all of my bitcoins.
For a pizza.
Yeah. Oh, fuck, that's the worst
I
story.
don't know if that's true.
Yeah, I think it is. It's the worst fucking story ever. Speaking of crypto, how's XRP looking on the monthly? Nothing. XRP's been ranging for over a year, which is pretty nice.
Yeah.
Pretty nice. Come on, gold, give us some volume, man.
Yeah. I thought breaks 1910. It could just continue going up. Just like double top after double top after double top.
I took this, did I delete the... Where is it? Yeah, I took this flip on S&P yesterday. Yep. Up into this
Oh,
one.
yeah. S&P.
Yeah, so and it ended up, I took profit right at a good point actually, because it ended up fucking around. What's my fucking chart, Maggie? There. Took that little very minor quick scalp yesterday.
I'm very surprised it didn't go up to that level, mind. Or did US100?
No, yeah, neither. They both chopped around so much. Straight back down. Straight back up. It was so choppy. I closed, I had 2 contracts. I closed one there and I trailed one as well, so I got taken out of the trailer. All the trade setups the same for crypto. Yeah, pretty much, man. Simpler, if anything, to be honest. Technicals on major cryptos are very, very simple. Like if you just look at wrong chart. Fuck, man. If you look at the technicals on Bitcoin on a higher time frame, if this is the right chart, do we have our levels? Yes, we do. Yeah, you look at like the round psychological levels on Bitcoin. It's so simple just to follow price and just follow momentum. Like, you know, you got 25k, price breaks above, comes back down, retest 25k, straight back, push back up into 30. So you buy at 25, you sell back at 30. You just made 20% gain on your money.
Nice.
Like even on this huge run up, like you break above all the levels, you come back down, you retest. You break back above 40k, you wait for it to come back down, breaks back below, you wait for a break back above, retest, boom.
You see?
Oh.
Just like that.
And if you zoom out, you can see Crypto Moon Boys up here. And you can see everyone else down here. Angry.
Hey.
Furious. But yeah, no, technicals for me is super simple. Super simple. Cheers, man. Yeah, no worries, man. I'll look to buy some holdings in crypto. If I was going to buy anything in crypto, I'll be holding some XRP, but I think we're going to dip a little bit lower first.
There was talks of it coming down to negative numbers, wasn't it?
What's that?
Yes, there was. By two, well, one, he trades crypto and the other one trades Forex.
Ah,
Like,
yes.
you know,
Yeah.
He was on about it ages ago, but they're quite quiet on social media now.
Yeah. See, if I was buying, I'd probably buy some like XRP, maybe down at like 0.25 again, and I'd buy it back up into like $1, $1.05. I don't think it's gonna go. I mean, I wouldn't buy it back up into. Some people say it's going into $10. So I think that's just fucking stupid.
Why would it though?
Nah, there's no reason. There's no historical price action to base that off, other than pure hopium. Do you trade crypto futures too? I have in the past, but no, not really, not anymore. No, I have before. I trade it on Binance, but no, I don't do it anymore. I've done it in a long time, to be honest. Long time.
Wanna go back in hand?
Yeah, if this 15 can flip bullish, because this is looking nice. We're grabbing the previous 5-minute high. This 5 just flipped out bullish. So if this 15 can flip bullish, we can just get a quick closure above this minor resistance. I want to take this higher. Pure hope for the win. Yeah, absolute, man. Smoking that hopium all day long. All day long.
It goes like
See my
same.
profile.
Normally there's some movement in the markets.
Yeah, as soon as everyone starts liking the stream, we got 41 people tuning in, 22 likes. As soon as people start liking, gold will have some volume.
But I'll go on your YouTube and like it now.
Where's my... Where was my XRP hopium post? Where was it?
It's the rockets.
I don't know where it's gone. Is gold moving yet? No, not yet. There was our oil trades. When was that? November 21. Holy shit. That's crazy.
Yeah. Can find out one or two of those right now.
Yeah, I wouldn't want one of them.
I've looked at my journal, like, I think I've done, how many trades have I done this month? I'll have a look now.
Yeah, London this month has been quiet. Asia's kind of helped me pull it through, to be honest. Whereas, here it is. January 2022. This is the post I've been looking for. So, we had these technicals drawn up on XRP when we were trading back around 80 cent. I remember, he deleted it now. Fucking motherfucker deleted it. And someone commented saying, keep smoking that hopium, bro. And then someone else commented, agree. This is nothing more than a pure bear hopium. So then I replied, like, when it dropped a month later, do you want some of that hopium? Seems to be working well so far. And I gave him a little update last month saying in still need of some of that hopium. Because we then ended up dropping perfectly all the way back down.
That's awkward.
Yeah, but he deleted his comment. But you can still see his username. So whoever this person is who deleted their comment, we still see you, bro. We can still see you. If you need some of that hopium, you come and let me know.
He's in the community now.
Yeah, now he wants some. He said, "Can I have some signal, sir?" But yeah, no clear direction of where gold wants to go at the moment. Yeah, it's tricky, man. It's tricky. Like I say, if this... Oh, so you just created a quick top wick there, and that would have been 9, you would have tagged in there. If this 15 can flip bullish and, you know, just break this minor resistance in this current 15, then I think we can take it back up into here. But yeah, I agree. It's in such a tricky level right now. You know, overall this morning, I did want gold to come and fulfill this left shoulder, head, right shoulder. But we've just been chopping that much in it that there's no entries for me to jump in it just yet. We did call that very quick, nice little 20 pip scalp there. So the 1 5 minute can change everything for me. So don't get annoyed when prices, you know, ranging stuff like that. It's just part of the markets. Just get ready and be on the ball, because like I say, 1 5 minute can literally change everything, and you have to be ready to execute that. Like if all of a sudden this 5 minute closes above here, bam, we're in a second we're in. But if anyone wants to borrow some hopium to smoke, let me know.
8 trades this month.
8 trades, that's nice. Yeah, it's good though. Ooh.
One yesterday. Put me up to 8.
Yesterday. Oh, you had a little goldy scalp. I didn't trade London at all yesterday. Yeah.
We went up to like 14, so I took like
It's good.
half off because I was like, I don't know what, anything at this point.
Because it was in a range,
It was
wasn't it?
like
Yeah.
massive dry spell, and then just came down and came back up, sorry, and took me in.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
It's choppy. And then that US news came out. Bam.
Yeah.
Absolutely ridiculous.
Yeah.
So
I'm gonna trade US today.
yeah, I'll be on, man. I'll be on. How many trades do you usually trade per month, like on average? Because June was very slow for me. I would say on average 1 to 2 trades a day. Sometimes less, sometimes more. Though, like on Tuesday this week, we had 4 trades in one day. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then some days I didn't do anything. What do we have there? We had a little Asia scalp there. I didn't do anything in London. We had another Asia scalp yesterday. And I didn't do anything in London or US yesterday. So yeah, it kind of varies, man. But I would say on average about one to 2 trades a day. But yeah, June for me in London has been definitely much more quiet. You know, we have still had a pretty solid month on our journal. Let me share it.
Yeah, I'm profitable.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, I'm profitable. It's just I don't want to be.
So this month we've had about 19 trades throughout Asia and London. There's like one or 2 outliers that are in US, but this is pretty much just Asia and London. Yeah, same, slow but profitable. Yeah, it's good, man. It's good. I know quite a lot of people have taken some pretty big losses in June. So if you have come out profitable, that's good work, man. And the where's it gone? The good thing about our trades in June, you know, like my win rate in June actually doesn't look that great, but I managed my positions very, very well. I didn't have a loss bigger than 7 pips in June. And that's not full stop loss. Full stop loss would have been around like 15, 20, but we've managed our positions very, very well. You know, most of these like 3 and 7 pip losses originally would have been like 10, 15 plus. So yeah.
8, mine was.
8, yeah, good. Nice.
Yeah, mine was 8.
Nice.
Oh, just rose above them.
Yeah, close.
Something. Give me a little bit.
Close above here, Goldie.
Is this Coupon Friday you keep on speaking about?
Fun Coupon Friday is coming. Don't you
Yeah,
worry.
good.
Yeah, I'm not leaving this desk until I get my coupon today.
Oh shit, you heard it here.
You heard it first.
Oh shit.
Because this was we liquidated these highs so well. We've broken all this structure. We are retesting this level. So like from the 5 minute, it makes sense to me for this to keep rolling over. But the 15, the way that it completely retraced is just, and the hourly wick is now just so difficult. Yeah, that's lovely. That's really nice.
I've had that since this morning.
Yeah, that's a huge level.
Anything is like is level going across where you had your head and shoulders.
Yeah.
If it breaks this, then it could go down, eh?
Oh yeah. Then you got 1900 sitting just down there as well. You got 1900 just sitting in between that 61 and 71 as well. So yeah, like this huge impulsive move we had back up yesterday. Yeah, we've not even retraced 50% of that. So it makes sense for it to keep driving lower. See, we got a nice top wick in this current 15. If this 15 can flip back bearish, you could see that push lower. I'm just getting conflicting conflicting direction on different time frames. If I was to go just off the 5, I'd be shorting this. Off the 15, you know, yeah, we have pushed bearish, we are pushing back up, but we just got 2 doji candles wicking out some lows, fading to close back below the support. So, and a big hourly wick, which we may come fill in that hourly wick. We don't know. If this 15 can flip bearish after grabbing the past 2 previous 15 highs, I'd probably look for a break of that 15, because if that's a 15 low, that's going to be a liquidity grab. We'll have the drive, but if we re-break that low, then I think we'll have a pretty steep rollover. So if we re-break that, shorting down into here, we've still got 25, you know, to come all the way back down 30 pips. As soon as we break this little range, I think we get some volume.
Please thank you.
Took 2 big trades this month and closed with a profit of 20% of my account. Amazing. 20%'s fucking fantastic. Very good work, man. Very good work.
Have you got Telegram?
You got signals, sir? I'll take some signals.
Just DM me. Please. Fair play, 20%.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Holy shit. I haven't had one of those months in. You know? Together.
I was listening to some good Chat with Traders podcast today. The series he made on risk management is a great one. If anyone hasn't listened to it,
You listen to those quite often, eh?
yeah, I try and listen to like not one a day, but like at least half an hour of it a day. I just go for a walk and just put in headphones and. I don't really like many other trading podcasts apart from Chat with Traders. That one says the 2 parts. Yeah, there's quite a few out there now, but what I love about Chat with Traders that much is it's just not like it's not retail traders. It's more like the big dogs. It's not Instagram traders, which is what I like. I'm not HS Tiki Toki. So that's where you got your 20% month from. I knew it. That dude's a clown. So this 15 is starting to flip bearish now, which is quite nice. If we can get some strong 5-minute bearish closures out of this very shit range, I'll look for this to have this push lower. So the 15 has grabbed the last 2 previous 15-minute highs, which is good. I haven't grabbed the 30 high just yet. But yeah, the reason gold's so tricky is like we're at major support, we're at major resistance and we're also at major support. But we're sticking on to our trading times. We're not leaving this desk until we get a fund coupon Friday. Alan and Aaron, why you not make a podcast? Hey, it could be a good idea, man. I'll make a podcast.
It would be a bad one, eh?
Yeah. His Telegram group is a joke. None of his traders made his members hedge gold during the news. Ah man, I don't know. Fucking hell. I don't even know how he has a Telegram group. I've never. I would if you have screenshots of it, please send it to me because I would love to see it. I'd love to see how pathetic they are. I assume you have to join a broker to get access or some bullshit like that. Because I assume it's one of them free Telegram groups. Just join my broker and deposit this much and take this many trades a month, and the more trades you take, the more money they make. I assume that's what it is. That's how. Ooh, yeah. See, this 15 could be nice here. How long we got? 5 more minutes. Okay, nice 5 break out of this little range, and we can take this.
Wouldn't mind it breaking below 1905.
1905.
And the 5 wait,
Yeah.
wait.
Actually, meant to put that one back. Yeah.
Ignore me.
Yeah, they're required to open a 1-lot trade for commission. Fucking hell, man. There it is. You can't make it up.
It is free though.
Well, yeah, I guess it is. Wait, so you have to open the 1 lot to be able to gain access, or what do you mean? You mean like these scammers are up to some tricks? But that's how I got started in trading. That's how I know all these stupid little tricks. I did everything wrong. I got started in trading because I saw these people. I won't mention their name. They don't exist now, funnily enough. But I joined their free Telegram group. I deposited money into BD Swiss. Everyone leave that shit broker. And yeah, the more trades you take, the more money they make. Yeah, to gain access. Yeah, fucking scammers, man. Scammers.
I'll never forget that Jamie guy.
Oh yeah, he's
I
clown.
pissed him right off.
Well,
Around £75 a
that's
month
just
was
ridiculous.
charging to be in his Telegram.
Crazy.
And he had over 3,000 people in there.
Yeah, it's disgusting. Yeah, Instagram is just full of fucking bullshit.
No wonder he's with Katie Price.
Yeah, I know. Fucking hell.
I would date him for that.
Come on, gold.
Shit.
Break this support. Break this support and give us a nice 15 body closure. Creating a 3-pin pattern here to the lows, but we've also grabbed the highs and leaving this wick. We got this 15 and 30 closure soon as well. Gold acting up. Yeah, gold is acting up, man. As soon as we yeah, as soon as we just get one 5-minute breakout, one 5-minute candle with some nice volume, we'll be in. Have an amazing rest of your session, Aaron. I'm off to work. Hey, thank you, man. Appreciate you tuning in. Enjoy work, man. Get on that grind. Appreciate you tuning in, man.
Bye.
Probably see some more volume at New York. Yeah, I think so, man. I think so. We do have that USD news coming later on. I still think we could get some volume before then. I'm not leaving the session until we get to the end of my trading hours. I got to stick to the plan. But yeah, one 5-minute candle can completely change everything. We've seen London range like this quite a lot, and then literally 1 5-minute flips with some good volume, and we are in like swimwear. So we're going to get this 15 and 30 closure in 2 minutes. If this 15 gives a nice body after grabbing these highs, see, we didn't grab this high, but we have grabbed these highs. So if we get a nice body here, I'll probably wait for a break of that low, because if we re-break that, then we should see a nice push. So I want a nice closure like this. Gives this nice closure, Goldie. And I'll be shorting gold back down into 1903. And we're going to get that 30 closure soon as well. So this is why I want this 15 to close nice, so we can get a nice body closure. Because if it's close like this, we're still respecting and stuck within all of this support. I just want this 5 to break out nicely.
In a bit of a batty boy.
Yeah, so we've got 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Does Top Step only offer Forex? No, it's futures, man. It's futures. You can trade some currency futures, but I'm predominantly using it to trade gold, oil, and NAS. And that's it. Wait, don't worry, just on the list. All good, man. All good.
You have to be able to open a 2 contract size account and use the link that Aaron says.
Yeah, just open account, open 10 contracts, send me a screenshot, and I'll let you into the group, man. See, if this 15, I mean, I don't think it's going to happen now, but if this 15 was to close really strong and bullish, you have that 3-pin pattern there to have that drive. So this 15 is going to be really interesting.
Yeah.
Coming into the last couple of seconds of this 5-minute candle, if we close above in the next couple of seconds, you kind of got a little very minor 1-minute inverse head and shoulders there as well. Right, some good volume. Alright, so the 5 minutes just closed nice. The 15 does still have a wick. We're probably going to come and grab this 15-minute high up here. But that is a nice 5-minute closure there.
Yeah. Oh, taking up all that. That's nice.
Oh yeah, so the 30 is grabbing that previous 30-minute high.
Yeah.
With no bottom wick just yet. Yeah, there. So just grab that previous 30-minute high.
Yeah. And the 5 is looking at 1.
So yeah.
This one, you mean?
That's nice. Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
So just grab that, which is because I was saying, in order for me to take this lower, I was surprised we didn't grab that. So now we have grabbed that. Now we've liquidated these highs. If this does start to flip bearish and we now close back below this support, then possible.
Yeah.
Possible. Does your funded account let you trade news? Yeah, you can trade news, man. Trade news if you want. I don't recommend it, but you can, yeah. Good info, Aaron Love from Brizzy. Hey, thank you, man. I'm here in Brizzy as well. Appreciate you tuning in, man. I'm here as well in Vegas. Vegas. Hey, I just saw your WhatsApps. What are you on about? Why? Did you believe it for a second or not?
No,
for a second.
That's what I was like. I was like, what's happened? Hey, what was that last? What was that last emoji?
Oh, that's typo.
And I was like, oh. But then I see the picture that you chose.
Well, that's what I thought. I thought it'd make it more dramatic.
I was like, oh, is he okay? Like, what's going on?
City that always sleeps. City does always sleep. It actually does. Fucking hell. But yeah, for YouTube guys, we've had some great trades on stream this week. If you guys just tuned into YouTube stream, yeah, you would have had a pretty profitable week. We've had some great trades. That trade yesterday, it would take it on the Asian stream. You know, shorting it down into the daily flip, it actually ended up playing. I closed it a bit too early. I didn't hold any runs for some stupid reason, but it ended up dropping, yeah, fucking incredibly. So that was taken on stream. That was on yesterday, Thursday. The fuck am I on about? That one, did we take that one? I don't remember taking that one. I think we took that half risk. So what was that? Yeah, we did. So we took that on Wednesday. So I took that on Wednesday in the Asian session. I took that in the community. We took a 3.5 pip loss there. And then the Asia trades on Tuesday, we had a quick 7 pip L there, and then we had a quick 20 pip bounce there, and then ended up running into that liquidity for like 40 pips. So yeah, we've had some pretty solid trades this week. Not a huge amount of trades, but still some pretty good technical trades in Asia actually. Right, nice 5-minute closure on here on gold, back below the support after liquidating these previous 30-minute highs. And we can look to take this lower.
Oh,
Break this support nicely. Can we trade US30 on top step? Yeah, 100%, man. You can trade Dow futures. Absolutely. This is why I want to shine some more light on futures aspects when intraday trading. You can trade almost most things that most people trade, except you're going to get 10 times better fills, and you're not going to worry about spreads all the time. I'll be dropping a video on this over the weekend as well. Can we trade... would one contract be 100 pips? Maverick, I'm not too sure what you mean, man. I'm not too sure. 20 seconds on Goldie. Come on, give us a nice body. Either direction, I don't really care, but give us a nice body. Yeah, it's a pretty big announcement that I'm going to be making on the weekend on YouTube. Guys in the community already know what it is. Alright, so 5 minutes. Fucking hell. 5 minutes respecting the support, but also respecting resistance. So we can't jump in anything just yet. We're just going to wait for a breakout. Do not predict, react. And react to the range.
painful.
It is painful, yeah. Oil's had a... I was about to say a nice push-up. I wouldn't say it's a nice push-up, but it's pushed up.
Yeah, the news must have had that.
Yeah, so we bounced off our little support there. See what that resistance broke and retesting them highs, pushing higher. But it's just too messy. It's too messy. Because if we'd gone long there and price had just chopped down and just crept down, I would be pissed. I'd be like, why the fuck did I take that trade?
Yeah. Exactly. It didn't give a liquidity grab or nothing.
No, nothing. Yeah, it's true. It didn't even grab them lows. Which could be a nice target later on.
Yeah, and there's a stop and reverse there.
Yeah, down there is nice. So you could come and grab them lows later on.
Good. But it is oil, and she does do what she wants to do.
She does.
Basically, the misses.
Yeah. Once she's off, there's no stopping. They don't know when to stop.
Yeah.
Just
No,
fucking
they
hell.
can't. They do not. The missus are not here at the moment, so I can talk to this. I'm guessing yours is up to the house.
Yeah, she's at work. Yeah. maybe she's watching the stream. I don't know. I'll find out later on.
Yeah, you'll know soon enough.
Sorry, I mean, how can we work out how many pips one contract on US 30 years would be on top step? Is one contract around 100 pips? So it works in points on futures. But Maverick, I would just open a paper account on Tradeovate and just test it out for yourself, man. That'll be the best way that you can get a feel for everything before you jump into the account. Just open a paper trading account, open some contracts, get a feel for the movement, how it moves, and start to calculate. Gonna step out for the week. Have a good weekend, man. Thank you, man. Appreciate you tuning in. Not a bad shout. Enjoy your weekend, man. Hopefully see you on the streams next week.
Liking this.
No.
This can blow all those wicks and get those fucking wicks out of the way. I'm liking it.
Yeah. I'm sticking around. I don't think this volume's over just yet. I think we could get a push. Oh, I didn't know about Tradeovate. Yeah, so that's Tradeovate is the platform that you can choose to trade on. So this platform here is Tradeovate. I have a video on my YouTube channel as well, just breaking down kind of how to set this all out. You know, you got your performance center down there. I have my split screen charts here. I've got gold here. I have ES up there. And I got the Nasdaq and crude oil there as well. I'll send it in the chat. But But yeah, you can with TradeOvate you can literally execute straight from Trading View if you want as well. You can trade. You can have your buttons up there, and you can just trade straight from here. You can drag your stop loss like I was showing on the other screen. But yeah, on my YouTube channel, I'll post it in. But I made a video a while back about setting that up. Worth just opening just a paper account just to get a feel for contracts, futures, etc. It's pretty much the exact same, but yeah, it's worth just getting a feel for it. I'll send it in. Oh yeah, we also hit 7,000 subscribers on YouTube, so I appreciate you guys subbing. We're gonna try and hit 10K before the end of the year and take over this YouTube streaming world. Oh, look at this 15.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, I guess. Come on.
Yeah, give us this 30 seconds here on Goldie. Come on, give us this closure. 15's looking beautiful now, and this 30's going to be looking really nice as well. 30's grabbing them previous highs. We get a nice body here. We sell gold into 1903. Full margin. Risk your house, everything. I'm kidding. It's a joke. Do not do that. Definitely don't do that. Don't risk anything. Ooh, there you go. So we have just had that 5-minute closure back below this support. We got 5 more minutes to this 15 is going to close. So I want to see this 15 have a continuation. So if I get a quick sell here on gold, stops will go above the current 30 high. So we'll be looking for something. Why the fuck is my computer lagging? So we'll be looking for something like this. Stops will have to be here. And we'll be looking for this to drive back down into 1903. So a great nice top back. Okay, let me just put this quick sell in full risk. It's only a 17 pip stop loss. If you don't re-break these lows, I will cancel. If I can get this in time. Why is my computer being like this? Don't do this, man. Alright, I got a sell stop on gold below this current 5. I want to see this 5 have this continuation lower, and this 15 to have a nice body break in this support. So this current 5 on gold is very, very important. Stop loss will be above the previous high. I'll manage much quicker than that. Cool, I'm tagged in there on Goldie. Yep, I'm tagged in there on Goldie.
Damn, girl.
If this 5-minute doesn't have this continuation lower, I'll manage stops probably above this high, like 8 pips. That's disgusting.
Did you hear?
Yeah.
I do apologize. I do apologize.
So I'm going to buy stop back here. 5. So this 15's looking real nice. Yeah, I want this 15 to close like this and have this nice drive. We have had that 5-minute closure of this minor support. Alright, I've got 2.5 minutes. Just wait till this 5's going to close. Hey Aaron, do you think German 30 is still going up? I'll take a look. Might not even trade it, but I'll have a look. Let me just see how this gold's going to play. I'm just going to manage this position soon. Let me just see how this 5 is going to close. As soon as we come into this level, I will be wary. But the nice thing is this, as it stands right now, we're only sitting at like a 16 pip stop loss, which is good. But like I say, if this current 5 doesn't have that continuation, bearish, I'll cut it straight away. I won't let it hit stop loss, I'll cut it instantly. This is the last 5 of this 15 now, so I want to see this 15 close below this support, re-break this low, and have this push. If we re-break this high, I'll consider taking off like 50% maybe. But as it stands right now, stop loss is still back up here. So let me just get ready to... but we are almost 45 minutes into the London Open. We'll be sticking around for the hourly, or we'll be sticking around until this trade plays out. But yeah, the target and plate here is shorting into this left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and into at least 50% of this run, which sits coincidentally nicely around that inverse head and shoulders. So technical wise, gold shorts, it's perfect. I just need volume. That's all. We can have the technicals, all the most amazing technicals in the world, but if we don't have the volume, we won't drive. If we do have a spike in volume, amazing. Right, 33 seconds.
Yeah, just the volume it is.
Yeah, we just need that volume. If we don't drive in this current 5, how will I manage? I'll probably just manually close the break even if this 5 doesn't drive. But if this 5 does drive, then I can leave it open. Oh, sitting up $40 on this position. Look at that, 120. Whew. So this 5 minute, oh, that's a nice 15 close. I like that 15 close. We've broken below our level. We may come and liquidate some previous 5 minute highs. I'm not going to manage my risk just yet, because we could, if we need some more volume, we could just grab the previous 5. If we re-break this one, I'll still probably, maybe close 15%, but that 15 has closed right below our level after liquidating them previous 30-minute highs. So that's what I want to see. Now we just have to sit through a current top wick on this 15. See, we are grabbing that previous 30-minute low. 10 minute, I did not type in 10 minute. What are you talking about? That fucking 30 minute.
Talking about Willis.
What you talking about? So how many pips do we have into this support? 25. Yeah, it's nice. Is that someone's phone?
Yeah,
Oh,
I lifted it off.
That's alright. If we close below here, I will bring stops down here in a second. Why does it say the stream is lagging? YouTube guys, you let me know if the stream is lagging. I don't know why it's being like that. We're trying to make some fun coupon Friday here. YouTube's out to get us. Yeah, it shows it's lagging for me. I don't know why my internet at home's being really shit at the minute.
You had quite a bit of trouble with the internet in our house, eh?
Yeah, the routers upstairs for some reason don't work. So the router's downstairs, but yeah, recently it's not been great. You have to I'll probably leave the provider that I'm with at the minute soon. It's kind of pissing me off because it's not cheap either. So I don't know any reason why it's still.
If this 30 could close below,
yeah, YouTube is lagging.
1905, 650, that'd be flipping brilliant.
Yeah, it would be flipping beautiful. Slightly. Did you already bring down your stop loss? Not yet, Antonio, but I am going to very, very soon. Yeah, let's just do it now. We'll bring stop loss to that previous 5 minute high. No, one idiot, I just closed it.
You close position.
No, sorry, I just closed the stop loss back instead of click and drag. Setting up a nice $320 in this position right now. We're currently breaking this low nicely. The thing is, with gold, with how choppy it has been, I will be surprised if it's plain sailing and easy ride all the way down. I will be surprised. I mean, it would be nice. One can hope. But is it just going to be clean, sane sail volume all the way down? I don't know. I don't know, man. But if we close like this, I will probably bring my stop to here, risking 5 pips. And I may even just go break even soon, to be honest. What have we just hit? We've just hit 8 pips, yeah, so not worth taking any profit. Oh, there she is. There's the drive. All right, give us a nice closure here, gold. Make this hourly really nice. Have this continuation. My entry is just a few pips above this current 5-minute high, so I'm skeptical that we're going to need to wick that out to get more volume. But I kind of want to take some risk off the table soon. Let me just see how this is going to close in 40 seconds. We're hitting like 9 pips. YouTube guys, drop a little like to the stream. Apologies that the lag is so shit. I'm gonna try and change internet providers, to be honest. But yeah, we have caught a nice entry there, and if we don't get this nice 5-minute close right here, right back at this support, I may go break even just with how choppy we have been and with how choppy we can be. So let's just wait 10 seconds, wait for this to close. I haven't done anything just yet. My stop loss is still above that high. But if we don't close, so we just closed doji, how's this going to open? So we are opening with an initial push up, which is okay.
And then, yeah, and that's just, I like those closed, fuck. Shut up.
I'm bringing my stop here now. But if we come back to my break even, I will probably close, but my stop loss is just sitting above that previous 5-minute high now, which is like, you know, risking like 5 pips, which is nice. But we are starting to find some support, which if we look here to the left is all of this noise here. If we continue driving, amazing. I'm gonna reduce risk as we continue. I've not taken any profit. I don't plan on taking any profit till we at least grab maybe this low or tap back into this little level here. Re-breaking the lows now, sitting up like 400, 320. Yeah, so if this current 5 starts to flip bullish, I don't want to be in this trade, so I am going to put my stops to just above this high, so basically break even here. Because if this 5, I would have wanted to see this 5 create a top wick first. So I personally, I'm taking some risk off the table here. I'm taking all risk off the table here. If we come back to break even, it's okay. I'm going to wait for a little bit more. My stop loss is like a few pips, so my stop loss is at this 5-minute high. If we, what we coming in, because we're getting close to this hourly now as well. So we're grabbing the previous 30. Yeah, I think risk off the table makes sense. If we were going to drive, we would have driven already. Oh, we're going to be out here in a second. Oh,
I'm already out.
I'm still in. I think we're going to grab the previous 5-minute high. I'm still in. So we've wicked out the previous 5-minute low. We closed back into this range. We could continue ranging, but for me, there's no reason to not take a risk off the table in this short. So I think we have managed our position well there. I'm still in this trade.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna bring my stop loss to above this current 5-minute high now. If we re-break that, I don't want to be in the trade. Yeah, I'm out. Antonio, why are you shouting at me, man? Let me just share the screenshot in Zoom.
Send send it to my bank account.
All right. I just sent it in my chart.
Is it going to be? Is it middle 50?
Oh, there we go. I'm getting that push now. Cool.
You in? Yeah.
Yeah,
in.
I'm still a man. Yeah. I just sent my chart, my position in the chat.
Good man.
This is the reason I made that video in the community before. This is the reason I'm going to be posting that video on the weekend for stuff like this.
I just didn't trust how choppy it was.
No, it made sense, man. I would do the same on personal. YouTube guys, drop a little like for the stream. We're getting that fun coupon Friday. We're sitting up around 12 pips on this position. I'm looking for this to have a bigger drive lower. It's currently sitting up around $408, 520 on this position. My stop loss is still above that previous 5-minute high. It's only 12 pips I'm not going to secure, but commissions, yeah, it's annoying, Antonio, man. That's frustrating, man. Antonio, I think we could see another entry depending on how this 15 hourly is going to close. So don't chase it. Don't chase it yet, man. It's not worth it just yet. I'm sure you won't, but don't chase it just yet. So we just closed below the previous 5-minute low. I'm personally not going to TP until. So where's 20 pips? Yeah, so 20 pips is back down here. So I'm just gonna. I've only hit like 13. It's not worth me really taking any. This 30 is looking like we're going to get a nice closure, but this 30 could still, break this level, still give us a top wick before continuing back down. I got to work. Have a nice day, Marek, man. Enjoy the rest of your day, man. Enjoy your weekend as well. I'll see you in Discord later on for US if you're about, man. I think the fucking YouTube stream's lagging hard. Breads in the chat, yeah, get them breads in the chat, man. There's a nice play there. Zero drawdown again. A good position there. Oh, it's Ron with the breads in the chat. Look at that, Ron's in the chat. Ron, are you on Zoom? Ah, Ron's in the chat. Good man. Good man, Ron. Ron, are you still holding? I hope you are. On the final days of the challenge, I can either push for the extra 14 days or wait for the free retry. Antonio, I personally wouldn't think of it like that. I would think of it in terms of just take the next trade regardless of what stage you're at in the challenge. I wouldn't push for anything personally. I would just continue to trade the way you are. Depending on... So how many days do you actually have left? Just woke up? Good shit, Ron. Ron, you haven't missed anything just yet, man. It's been choppy. This is the first entry that I've just taken. So you haven't missed anything just yet. Ron, is the stream lagging? I hope it's not. It says it is, but I hope it's not. Come on, gold.
It took me up to the last bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna close soon if it doesn't drive because this is just boring. What did we hit? 13. Yeah, I only hit 13 pips. I'm gonna bring my stop to just this body. I think we're gonna come up a little bit higher. Yeah, I'm not feeling pressure on trading. I'm just letting it, of course. Yeah, good man. Got until the 7th of July, so you have all of next week. To make how much next week, Antonio? Alright, I'm putting my stop loss above this current high on gold. If we re-break this high in the next 2 minutes, I don't want to be in this trade. And I'm just going to take the low volume profit and run. So I have a trailed stop right now, just locking in 9, almost 10 pips. Nothing crazy, but I'll take it. If we have the continuation back down, then I'll probably open it back up because we could grab the high. Roughly 7%, but I need 2 for the extra Ooh, that's yeah, it's an interesting situation. So you only need 2 for the extra 14 days. I think right now, let's just see how we go next week. 2% next week is very, very possible. Oh, I'm gonna get taken out here on this Goldie, and oh, I just got taken out. Yeah, cool. All right, I'm out of that gold trade. I trailed an aggressive stop there because I don't like the lack of volume, but we just closed out $360 in that position. 4 contracts, sat in that trade for a total of 17 minutes. We may drive lower, but the lack of volume and the fact that we're back at this level that I mentioned, I was just happy just to trail an aggressive stop. And now we're pushing back up because the 5 minutes started to stall, but it left the top wick and then pushed lower. So I was like, okay, cool. Well, if we're going to re-break its high again, then we're not ready to drop yet. So I locked in like 10 pips there. You know, nothing crazy, but we'll take it. So that's why it's like, you know, around after commissions, like about $340 on that position. And now we're going to wait. Now we're going to wait. You know, 10 pips is nothing to scream about, but I'm also happy with the way that we managed that position and managed to call this entire move down after liquidating these highs. So we took the best out of what we could this morning. I'm happy in that sense. Yeah, thank you, sir. I will update that. I'll update the journal. So we took
9 trades this month. Look at me go.
nice.
Yeah.
We still got US later. I'll still be trading US later on as well. So we took that off the 5 confluences, liquidity grab breaks. I'd say about 2. I don't even really bother filling it. I have the my journal to I do the trade setup and the time frame, but I don't really trade. I don't really use it. So what time did we took that trade? We took that trade at 8:40 London time. 30th of June. So the last trade of the month so far, as it stands, has been a winner. We'll take it. We'll take it. So yeah, I would have still been in that, but now I'm out. Absolutely, I don't give a shit. Good shit. Good shit.
The way that was, so say 850, the way the 855 minute candle was just coming up and up and up and up.
Yeah.
And leaving a wick to the downside. I was like, okay, well, I'll just go break even. You know,
Yeah.
technically, I earned a little bit of, you know, dollar bills.
Nice.
Technically,
Nice.
you know, $4, but I still at $4 up. You know,
That's profit. Profit is profit. If we re-break them lows, I think we could push lower. But yeah, that 30 has found some support. So that was the last 5 minutes of the hourly. So if any candle was important, it was that one, and that one failed to close bearish. So that was the reason I just managed a little bit aggressively. W trade, absolutely, man. Always W's. YouTube guys, drop a little like for the stream. For people who tune in on YouTube, you guys have had W's every single session this week. I've got to start charging for these YouTube streams. Damn.
you do that, yeah.
I don't think so, no. I don't think so. No, mind. I do the YouTube streams to show people what is possible without all the Fugazi fluff and bullshit. I don't see any other streamers who are turning up this consistently with this good of win rate and risk to reward and consistency. I'm off. Cheers to the stream. Enjoy, Dan. Talk to you soon, man.
Oh, with that bombshell you just dropped in your off time? Holy. Come on.
All right, give me 2 seconds. Oh, gold is having that push lower. Pushing back down, 20 pips now into the overall. If anyone is still in that position on YouTube, hold it back down into 1903. I would still be in this if this 5 minute didn't dick around so much, but it is what it is. We took money out the markets in a range. I'll take it. But YouTube guys, I appreciate you taking time to tune in. I'm going to wrap up now. I'm going to sit on stream for like another 30 minutes with the community, and then I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my day before the US news later on. So I appreciate you guys taking time to tune in. I'll be posting the recap later on. And I have some big news coming over the weekend that I'll be making into a video and share with you guys. So appreciate you taking time to tune in. Like, subscribe, check out all the other videos. And I'll see you guys next week. Peace.